Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kirana Rivaninda with student ID 24111931005. We'll explain about the material of industrial statistics 2, the estimation and hypothesis test for variance of the two samples. With the problem formulation is how are the estimation and hypothesis test of the difference of number order variance between the food and non-food product categories in online shopping transaction of customer in Padang City. For the first one, we obtain the parameter table of the food and non-food product categories. There are the confidence interval, the number of sample, alpha per 2, standard deviation, variance, and the degree of freedom. The alpha is 5% because the confidence interval is 95%. And then we obtain the parameter table for the variance estimation. There are S1 square, S2 square, V1, V2, F alpha per 2, V1, V2, and F alpha per 2, V2, V1. We got the value of the F alpha per 2, V1, V2 from the formula of Excel F inverse. And then we obtain the estimation interval with the formula S1 square per S2 square times 1 per F alpha per 2 V1 V2 less than sigma square 1 sigma square per sigma square 2 less than S1 square per S2 square times F alpha per 2 V2 per V2 V1. And then we got the lower limit and the upper limit of the interval. And then we obtain the parameter table for the hypothesis test. There are S1 square, S2 square, V1, V2, F alpha per 2, V1, V2, F alpha per 2, V2, V1, F, the lower limit, and the upper limit. We got the value of the F from the formulation. F equal to S1 square per S2 square. The case of the hypothesis is there the difference of the variance of the number of order between the food and non-food products categories in online shopping transaction customer in Padang City. With the hypothesis H0 is sigma square 1 equal to sigma square 2 and the H1 is sigma square 1 not equal to sigma square 2. The critical region is reject H0 if F bigger than F1, F alpha per 2, V1, V2. The calculation of the F and F alpha per 2, V1, V2 is F equal to 0.1320, F alpha per 2, V1, V2 equal to 1.6942. So the F is less than F alpha per 2, V1, V2. So the decision is accept H0. With the conclusion is there are not enough evidence to prove that the variance of the number of order between the food and non-food product categories is different. There is the graphical for the hypothesis test, and the H0 is in the accept region, and the X1 is on the reject region. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for attention and sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.